The body is a living library that stores everything you've ever been through. I travel all over the world, leading workshops. 90% of every room, Costa Rica, UK, Australia, Africa, anywhere where I go, 90% of those rooms have experienced some type of sexual trauma. Let that land. 90%. Whether it was very young, or when they were 18, or 25, or something. That stuff is still stuck in your body. You can go to therapy for another 17 years and it will not come out, because that's just looping right here. Is this landing for you guys? I know I'm going deep right now, but I just want you to hear, right? Like, is this deeper than just, mindset? No, it's more than that. It's locked in your body. And so how we do that, there's many ways. There's so many ways. But one of the ways to beat that story of little Connie showing up when it's time for her to step out and build a business, because that's what's happening. You got a 39-year-old, 49-year-old woman who's it's really a 7-year-old showing up, trapped in a grown-ass woman's body. So how we beat that is we instant action. We teach the nervous system, no more, right? Because we're just a bunch of bundles of patterns. Think the same, just like your parents. Eat the same, just like your parents, just like their parents. And then you carry their shit. And then you pass it to your kids, and then they go, oh, okay, cool, got it, I got it too. Cool, my kids? Cool, yeah, right? That's your job. Your job is to cut that, to change it,